Hello friends, welcome back to my channel All You Can Do Here, and today we are going to do a very easy, simple but an evil experiment. For this experiment we need a glass bottle, as you can see, and we have to fill it with water till the top. And then we have to close its lid very tightly so that it doesn't get open. And to confirm that it doesn't get open, I will apply glue gun on it. We have to ensure that there are no air gaps in the bottle, and after the glue gun dries we have to keep it in freezer, and then we will see what will happen to it. You can also perform this experiment with the help of syringes. You just need to take some water and fill a syringe till the top, and you have to ensure that there are no air spaces inside the syringe. As you can see, we have filled our syringe, and then you need a lighter or a burner, and you have to heat the outermost part of the syringe. You have to melt it, and then I will take a glass and then I will close this opening. And now we'll verify if the water is coming. We can see that water is not coming out. Now we will glue it with the glue gun to ensure safety, and we will also glue it from the back. Now we will keep it back into the freezer with our bottle and see what will happen to it. So till the time our bottle and the syringes are freezing, we will perform a second experiment. In this, we will boil water in the syringe. So for this experiment, I am using a syringe. You can use the syringes of any size, and I will remove this needle out of it. Then you have to take some water. It should be a bit warm, but not boiling, because if the water is already boiling, our experiment will be of no use. And then we have to take out some water from the syringe. As you can see, I have taken out some water from the syringe. Now you have to close the opening. You can do it with your fingers. So I am closing, and now I will pull the lever towards me, and you will observe what will happen to the water. As you can see, there is no change, it's normal, but when I will pull the lever, you will see the magic. You will observe that the water is boiling. You can see at some part the bubbles are coming, and it has also formed some foggy layer on its covering. And when I put it back, it will return to its original position. As you can see, it is like nothing has happened to it, but the water has boiled. Several hours has been passed, and I am very surprised to see the results, and I am very excited to show you what has happened. So in 3, 2 and 1. Now as you can see what has happened to this test tube. It has completely broken down into pieces. See, this is, you can see the condition. I have also put one more syringe, and that has not showed much difference, but yes, the upper part of this syringe has been broken down, and it might be somewhere, but I will not touch, because the glass bottle over here has completely shattered into pieces. As you can see, It has completely gone into pieces. It has turned into two pieces. That was completely shocking. So, some of you might be surprised that how both of these experiments worked. I will be posting the answers to these two questions tomorrow. So stay tuned and wait for my video. And thanks for watching. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel.